We can clearly see that this clutch has well and truly seen its day, but you may be wondering how to fit the clutch without the alignment tool. In this video, I will show you how. Without stating the obvious, it's best to check the clutch fork and the bearing. Some cases you may find that it's seized, like this. This caused a heavy clutch pedal and likely the wear on the clutch plate that you saw at the beginning. More on this later. When aligning the clutch plate, all we're trying to do is make the plate fit centrally on the pressure plate. If this isn't central, you will find it difficult to put the gearbox back in. Before you fit the clutch, make sure that the clutch plate fits on the spigot shaft on the gearbox, and also that it slides freely. If it's the wrong clutch, it's definitely not going to fit. Check the flywheel for excessive heat damage. Hopefully you're now happy with all of that. Let's move on to the next step. Fit the clutch plate and the pressure plate loosely, ensuring that the clutch plate is the correct way round. If you remember what I said earlier, the friction plate needs to be in line with the pressure plate. So the method that I use, I check on the 3 slots seen here are all aligned equally on each one. Once happy, tighten each bolt up on the pressure plate, then recheck that the clutch is aligned centrally. Finally, with a ratchet, check that all the bolts are evenly tight. The clutch should look quite central and the gearbox should fit nicely. We noticed earlier that the thrust bearing was tight on the gearbox sleeve. This can be replaced easily, just 3 bolts, and will give you fault-free operation. I hope this video really helped you with your clutch alignment issues and saves you time and money. So, this has been how to fix it. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and hit subscribe, and don't forget to check out some of these other great videos on how to fix it.